Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre, Majestic Wire Artworks. This is a Beebeecraft package opening, and I'm doing things a little bit differently with this one because they've kind of changed the format for me a little bit. And you know what? This is a good thing because this is lets me know exactly what's expected of me, and I like that. So in my email I got from them, they gave some instructions of what I need to do differently, and or what I need to do. And so I've got it here, and it's going to be in the description as well. The language isn't perfect here because, of course, they're from China, and but this is exactly what they wrote me. I just copied and pasted it. So one, I have to promote the Beebeecraft name orally in the video, which I am. I add Beebeecraft in your title of your video. I have to add Beebeecraft homepage link in the description that's below the video. And then I add the Beebeecraft product links to the description. And this is the part that's new. All that I did before. I need to promote, as she's writing it, promote our YouTube program and add the following information in my video. So this is what I'm doing here. Beebeecraft YouTube program. Get free products by doing videos for us. You only need to have more than 100 subscribers. So I guess that's 101 subscribers or more. If you're interested, click on the link, and I'll have the link in the description. And then please send the YouTube links to her when it's finished. And the frequency of my videos they have to be 1 week apart. And see, that is brand new too. Before I had up to 2 months to put in tutorials. So now I really need to pre-think what I'm going to do with that tutorial. So I just wanted you to know Beebeecraft has a broad range of product. So it doesn't have to be wire wrapping for a tutorial. You just have to have in your package just one item in the now I'm feeling awkward as I'm saying this. Only one item. You could have more, but at least one item in the tutorial that's from Beebeecraft in order to promote it and do a tutorial for it. So, you know, let your imaginations run. If you have a beading channel, or I know they have stuff for epoxy, resin, I'm not sure what it's called, but you know, just let your imaginations run, and you might want to take them up on this opportunity. They didn't promote it like this. This is new. So you know, it was really strange how I got started with this. I did not get started like this. I was just checking out my emails on my phone, and all of a sudden a message popped up, and somebody tried contacting me via Messenger. And this lady says, I've been watching your YouTube channel and I really like it, and I'd like you to give this consideration of Beebeecraft. And you know, my husband is a computer security person for his job, and so I right away said, check out this company. I've never heard of it. What do you think? And he checked them out, and he says, this is a legit place. Nothing but good reviews, and I've had no problems. So that's my personal testimonial. They have been awesome. They have been awesome to do this with. So if you want to give it a try, there's the info I have on it. And you know what? I don't make any money off of it. When you buy something, I don't make any. I'm not affiliated. I make no money off of this. All I get is the free product, and then to share some knowledge of how to use it or promote it that way. And that's all there is to it. So, yeah, it's fun. I enjoy it. I love trying to imagine something with the product. So this is a bigger package that I have than I normally have. And you know, that's, I don't know what they're going to start you off with. I'm sure I didn't get this much when I started out either. Things are changing for me. So anyway, so I pre-opened the package and started opening up things. If I can't get something open, I will pause this video and then go to it. And I have some product in mind for certain projects, and I will share that with you. So I'm going to take all this stuff out. I just wanted to show you that they really package things well, like very well. So that's all good. And I've got my descriptions written here, which I pre-do it ahead of time. It just helps me explain what I have. So the first things I have out here are some Panda Hall Elite pearls. I have 2 sizes. I have, here, it's written down here. I believe it's a 6mm and an 8mm ones. Yeah, that's what I've got. I've got a package of 6mm, and I will give you the link to the colors I have here. And they're really pretty. They're glass pearls. And then a box. It's in cellophane. I picked these colors because it had matching colors for a project that I possibly may use them for, but I'm going to show you what really I had in mind for it, and that is to make these cute little earrings with my, let's see, where do I have my titles? There they are. The tutorial is the heart head pin earrings. So there I have several designs, and then this was, I believe it's, you know, you'll be able to make this from one of those tutorials. So they're cute. The 6mm ones are sweet. And then the 8mm ones, it gives quite a different look, the 2 different sizes. So they flipped over on me. There we go. Okay. So that's what I intend to use them for. That's what I got them for. Of course, I'll come up with other ideas. I always do. And then, let's see. Now, I got these on purpose. These are pendant heart crystals. These are made by N Beads. There's 100 assorted glass crystals. And these are the ones with the front holes. See, like that? They're pretty. They're very pretty. And what are the dimensions? 6. There it is. 14 by 14mm. There we go. And what I had in mind with them is to make the pendant drop bar for front hole drop beads, but it could also be used for the front hole drop bead earrings. So this is what I'm talking about. You can search through my tutorials to see the tutorial for that. That's a fairly recent one, and I thought it would, then I can make different colors, because I only had the white clear crystal for this necklace, and now I've got colored ones, and the earrings should be interesting to make too. Okay, so that's done. And okay, these are made by N Beads. They're electroplated natural quartz crystals. So they have a rainbow effect, and I have an idea, a new idea for a tutorial I could possibly make for this. I'm not positive that it'll succeed, so I'll have to play with it first. See, that's what I mean about you really have to plan ahead. So you have to for sure have something that you can make a tutorial with, and then if you want to experiment, you can do that. So yeah, think about that. They're really pretty. And I got these agate beads. I'm going to pull them out for you to see. I got a whole bunch of them. They look unique. They're dyed and they're different colors. So you have a huge choice of oh, that one's really pretty. They come out differently, and so they'll give unique looks. What I was hoping to do with these is make a woven frame with a bit of finger swirling beads around the bead to make it a beautiful pendant. And I'm not sure if I'll do that tutorial. I'm not sure if it'll do what I want it to do. I actually have a couple of ideas of what I want to do with those. So that might be a possible future tutorial. I'm not going to give that away. You'll have to wait and see and check it out. Okay. And I have... Oh my goodness. That's tight. Now these are agate as well. Let's see, where is it? There it is. Natural agate round bead strands dyed and faceted. And these ones are teal, and they're 4mm beads with a 1mm hole. And what I had, and their variety of colors, you could pick out different colors to have them all match. I plan to keep them mixed up. And I was going to make some more earrings like this. And I thought maybe I could make a drop or two at the bottom and just play with it, because those beads are virtually almost identical to what I had made these earrings with. Let's see. And that is the chain frame earrings on studs. So that was my intention when I ordered that, was to make some more of those. Okay, moving along. I ordered some Delica beads. They're not, in the description they call them Delica, but I don't see the term Delica on the packaging. But these are 11/0 in size. And I have something in mind that I want to play with, which could be interesting. It could be a tutorial. And so the links will be there for those too, for those that need to find some Delica beads and can't get to a store. That's, you know, one thing that's really wonderful about mail ordering things is you don't have to go shopping in a store to put yourself at risk of getting in contact with COVID. So if you're a high-risk person like I am, I enjoy shopping online because I know I'm a little bit safer that way. Now these are some cultured pearls, and I had something specific in mind for them, but I thought that they were bigger than this. So I misinterpreted the measurements. These are supposed to be 3 to 4 millimeters. And I thought the 3 to 4 millimeters was the distance this way, but it's the distance this way. These are potato pearls. So they're pretty tiny. I will need to rethink what I want to do with them. I haven't come up with an idea yet, but I'm sure I will. You know, sometimes I have beads sit in my inventory for 3 years before I use them, maybe longer. And all of a sudden, boom, I come up with an idea, and then I go through my inventory and find something that will work with that idea. So it's always good to have those things, or I could challenge myself to come up with something sooner. So we shall see. And the last thing in my package, now these are called, where is it? Beebeecraft 1000 pieces, 4mm red copper oval faceted Tibetan silver beads. I don't know why it's got the word silver in there, because it's not. But Tibetan. And as soon as you hear that term Tibetan, I find the quality of the finish is extremely high. And it seems to, like my bead bracelet, last bead bracelet I made, I used some Tibetan finish bead ends. I wore that bracelet for 6 months straight, and it didn't even start wearing. So the finish is just amazing. And these, I can think of one thing that I would like to try using them for is I once, just a little while back, had a lady ask me if you could use sterling silver ear wires on copper earrings if you have sensitive ears. And what I recommended doing is make your ear wires two-tone in metal. So what you would do is make the ear wire itself in sterling silver, and you could either do a wrapped coil in copper for an accent, or you could put on a copper bead like this. This would be perfect for making it two-tone ear wire. And then you could have sterling silver ear wires, but still have copper earrings, which is a great combination. And that is one idea for those beads. They'd be perfect for it. And you have lots there. That package is gonna last a long time. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me in this. There was so much new to talk about, and I felt a little awkward explaining some of it, so I hope you bared with me. I'd like to thank you for joining me and staying till the end. God bless, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.